today what we are making is called as chicken Al-Faham. Usually you make it using a barbecue, but today we are gonna make it using a non-sticky pan. So you have to marinate it twice. For the first marination, the ingredients that you use are.
So for the first marination, I have used the curd in this.
Okay.
Okay, and some black pepper into it.
Okay.
And ginger garlic paste.
Okay.
Salt as per your taste.
Okay.
1 lemon.
Okay.
As per your taste. So then you have to keep in a refrigerator.
Okay,
about
so that's the first
minutes.
marination.
Yeah,
All
that's
this
the first.
mixture, you just put it in a refrigerator. You leave it for half an hour.
Half an hour.
Okay, then that will be ready.
Okay.
We also need to fry, dry fry few of the ingredients. Those ingredients are
So those ingredients are some red chilies, dry red chilies, okay?
dry red chilies.
And some garam masala, so
Garam
cardamom
masala.
and all you need to
Yeah,
dry
you'll get it
fry.
online, Aram.
Yeah, and then some sara dhania.
Okay.
So you will get all these things and jeera.
Okay,
and
jeera.
black pepper.
Black pepper.
Okay, so we need to dry fry it.
Okay,
And
after
then
frying it, grind it.
And then for the thick paste, you need to add some 2 potatoes in it.
Tomato,
Tomatoes,
sorry.
Tomatoes
2 tomatoes, a little bit
and-
of green chili.
And coriander, some coriander
Okay,
leaves.
coriander leaf for
Some-
garnishing, something
for
like
garnishing.
that. Okay,
And then you need to add 2 onions also.
onions. Okay, onions.
1 or 2 onions.
Okay,
Then later you need to make a thick paste of it. Then
Okay.
add in this way.
okay.
Okay, turmeric is as per your color because I thought that should be in a yellowish color.
Okay.
So if you want, you can use in a red color, red food color also.
Okay, but turmeric
So it
is
will-
antioxidant, so it will be a little bit helpful, when you have these kind
And
of
this taste will be a very good taste.
Okay, it will be almost similar to the one that we make in a barbecue.
Yeah,
Okay, and then
exactly.
after all this is done, just again marinate it for about half an hour,
Half an hour.
and then cook it on a pan.